Hey, so got the audio player portion mostly working. Just as a reminder, the user interface, how it is now, is not laid out as it will be in the end. I'm just throwing things up in here so I can get things working, and later on I'll work on making sure things are grouped in a way that makes sense. So like the start loop and end stuff here should be along with the player and the micro view here, etc. So, stuff will move around. In any case, so there's two playback modes. One is the once, which just plays a sample there. And the other is loop. Maybe I should stop the music here so we're not like having two things that you have to hear. So that loops and that plays once. Obviously, this kind of thing here. Also, when you edit the loop points, that is active. You can also see the nice micro view up there doing its thing. And there's some interesting things. Like when you change channels, it should stop playing the previous sample. The good news is the UI still updates appropriately, so the stop button here works from here. So, so we can edit those. The once playback, and maybe I should relabel these, but the once playback uses the start of sample to the end of sample, and the loop playback uses the loop start and the end of sample. So if we change that, so that's all working. I still have to verify loading a new Q set should work as far as I know. Shouldn't be any problems with that, and actually it won't interrupt playback. So if you're looping something and you're swapping between different sets, so that's pretty exciting. I got some other stuff I have to figure out. Found out there's a little piece of the metadata that I'm not sure I fully understand that relates to the end of the sample and when the module extends files past their original length, which you can do up to 11 seconds on a sample, I guess. Moving right along. Yay.